Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to add a delay between actions in a Zap using Zapier's built-in delay feature. Let's get started. Start by opening your Zap and locating the spot where you want the delay to happen. Now, click the plus button and search for Delay by Zapier. Select it and you'll see three options: delay for, delay onto, or delay after queue. Choose delay for if you want to pause for a set amount of time like 10 minutes or 2 hours. Pick delay onto to hold the action onto a specific date or time, or use delay after queue for sequential processing, helpful for order-based tasks. Once you have configured the delay, add your next action step right after it. Finally, test the Zap to confirm everything runs in the right order with the correct pause in between. And that's it, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.